So this is a video on how to install the study that you've signed up for if you're taking part in online studies, the Cognition Lab at UAlberta. You should have already downloaded and installed the presentation package player. What you can then do is look for the experiment which you have signed up for and also provided consent for. You can do this by going to Download Experiments. It will be the case that your experiment has a certain name. Look for the name that the experiment has been assigned and type this to search for the experiment. Once the experiment has been found, you can then download that experiment. Now, in order to download the experiment, you will need a password. That password has been provided to you in the form of an access code after you gave your consent for the experiment. In this case, we're going to use the example of a simple password. If the experiment and the password match, the experiment will be downloaded. You can then open the experiment and click Run. When the computer asks for your subject ID, you provide the personal identifier that you specified on your consent form. Do not provide your name. Do not provide a student ID. You'll need to remember this personal identifier throughout the experiment, and also if you ask for your data to be removed. Click OK, and the experiment should run. Follow the on-screen instructions and the computer will tell you when you've reached the end of the experiment.